they knock like
Nah me. So now you dey inside here and the knock since no one open door. You there?
You dey craze? Na me dey talk to you like that? You dey mad?
Who you be?
Wait oh, you carry this your two scattered legs. Enter house wey big like this where I dey manage. You no even fit greet.
Greet who?
You no fit greet.
You. Now you I go greet.
Hey.
I don't leave anyone the one I suppose greet. Now you I go come. And I put the make I enter.
Which kind small pikin be this one? Come. Wetin you dey find for here? Here dey you like motherless baby's home.
I can't find work.
You can't get it.
I can't walk.
Which kind work? Come on, will you get out of your house so you make her
Sit at the place.
Come on, get out of your house.
Sit at the place.
Come. Come, carry this your termite infested bag. Come on for here. Come on, get out. Come, carry this your infested. Come on, get out of here. Come on for here.
Come on now.
Come. They don't train you where you from. Come. You don't get home training at all. I be your. In fact, your mama no say you dey here. Hey, all these ancestors wey dey born now. You want it? You know your come on, get out of here. If I want you now, they go say I do child abuse.
Hold me.
Hold me. You know, come on.
Hold me.
You know, come on.
I don't. I go beat you.
Grace, we are home. Oh, yes, sir. She's sleeping, sir.
It's been a long journey.
Can I help you?
Sorry.
Small girl.
We are home.
How are you?
If I slap you, what is it? No try me, oh. Man want dey my body, no try me.
Oga, where did you bring this little girl wey no get respect from?
Her name is Grace.
Grace of God, sir.
Oh, sorry, I always miss that kind of name. Her name is Grace of God. Brought her from the village. Do you people know each other before now?
For where? I never see him before.
You don't meet me now. So dey your lane, make her dey my lane. Don't cross my path, because if you cross my path, I will tear you like tiger.
It's okay, Grace of God. What you are going to do right now is to take her inside, settle her in, give her food. She'll be helping you in domestic work.
Give me food first, though.
You'll be giving food.
Okay, sorry. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Pardon my manners. Now this witch make me forget everything. Sorry, sir.
Dad, who is that little girl with you?
Oh, like I said, her name is Grace of God. And she's the daughter of one of my friends. The man want to travel to the north, Wausa. He said he want to go there and hustle. And then asked me to carry Grace of God to my house, down to the city here.
Then what about her mother?
Nobody knows the whereabouts of her mother. That's the problem. Nobody knows.
Dad, that girl, she's too rude and saucy.
I wonder why she's rude. But let's carry her along.
That girl really lack home training.
Yeah, Smally. Now so they take lie down for bed for your village. Eh? See the way you spread hand like and leg like eagle when no get direction. Eh? With this your small shikini body, now you take spread everywhere, cover everywhere. If you say you get better body, what the person go do? My friend, will you get out from that place?
Hey. My friend, don't call me my friend. Waiting. Oh, you don't know my name? My name is Grace of God. Don't call me your friend, my friend.
If you like, make your name be Grace of Death. You no concern me. Because as I dey look you sef, no be God create you, na apprentice carpenter for heaven, na him knack you. You dey mad. Look at who they talk. See, make I tell you, you no get respect. You no get home training. Your mama no train you well. In short, your mama no even look your side. As you dey see me so, I get pikin wey old pass you. If to say this my pikin dey here, come see as you dey yak your mouth like this, you go run enter you. You don't know say I dey old enough to be your mama. You dey mad.
See me where you dey talk to now. Okay, you just say me I no get mama. You don't know say mad people they get people wey get them. You don't know. I get mama. Mama will get strong hand. If you do anyhow, this mama dey here, she go arrange this your teeth with they like.
You see this nonsense? Me and you go do on this night. Mama say I no go do am with you. If you talk anyhow for here, if you talk back at me again, that if you talk what I'm talking again, I go mash you reach ground. You dey mad.
Really? Oh, now try am. Try am, make I show you what. Yeah, you just because I dey keep quiet. You just say you go intimidate. You don't feel intimidate me. You don't know me. Me, I be crazy person. Oh, I go enter you. Yeah, they talk my own camel. Now when you do your own, I go show you who I be. I don't show myself. Anywhere where they go, I dey kukuma stay calm until you go touch me like this. You go collect. Try me. Oh, you dey see yourself.
Make una see the ratio, stubborn champion. I wish can begin with this year. She don't get respect, at all. Anywhere she dey, na trouble. Anywhere she enter, wahala. She no go so good, but she can defend herself. She go tell you common sense, na sense she be. This kind girl, I never see her before. She be wahala. She don't enter, everybody go hear her. She not gonna be real for you, no matter who you. Yes, I'm God, don't enter, everybody go collect.
What happened yesterday night? Disturbing the entire household. Denying everybody sleep. Ebere, I'm disappointed in you. You're the senior and the oldest person here in terms of managing things. Why did you lock her out of the room?
Sorry, sir. I no do am with clear eye. I just lost my temper. But you no go blame me. No be my fault. This small rat where you go carry from village come no get sense. And she no get respect. Her mouth is bad. In fact, you see this girl? She lack home training. They don't train her at all.
Yeah. She dey call me little rats. I be little rats. Yeah, now. Make I tell you, this house go catch fire. Now me they tell you that one. This house go burn down. Me I dey crazy so. I don't be normal human being like the female. Me I get my own score for head though.
Yes. It's because you lack home training. Is she your mate? Must you respond to her without any respect?
You know you say she call me small rat. I be small rat. I be rats now.
People should stop calling her such derogatory names.
Thank you, sir.
Shut up, Grace. Let me talk.
Grace of God. Grace of God. Add it like that. I'm a rat. You should stop calling me.
Will you shut up your mouth? Can't you girls be quiet for once?
Please, I don't want you people to be calling her such kind of names again, rat or whatever. Her name is Grace. Grace of God. You must have to respect her. She's old enough to be a mother.
Fear! God forbid. Chukwaju, I will never have a useless girl that lacks home training as a daughter. Mbano. Instead of me to have this one as a daughter, you better say I remain childless.
Me too. Yeah. I can never have her as my mother. She's not even rich. And she's talking to me like that. Instead of me to have you as my mother, it's better I remain motherless forever. God forbid.
Both of you should leave my sight. Leave my sight.
Okay, sir. No, come up for road now.
Are you sure with the way that little girl is running her mouth, are you sure we can cope with her in this house?
Are you talking about grace of God?
Grace of God, grace of man. I mean, I'm talking about her.
Well, the issue is that taking her back to the village is not an option. Her father must have traveled to the north.
Wowza. Dad, don't tell me she doesn't have grandma or grandpa or if her relatives, auntie, uncle. Don't they have someone to stay with in the village?
In the true sense of it, there's nobody to take care of her.
I told you not to worry. What will be, will be.
But how did it happen? Kezika. Osiweme.
What happened?
I mean your niece. Grace. I mean Grace of God. It's been 2 days now. She went to the city with Chief Okeze.
Uh-huh.
I thought they would have come to report to you about her bad behavior.
Report to who? Me. See, I have washed my hands off that girl. I am her uncle, not her father. But thank God that my brother Titus did exactly as I advised him. He handed her over to Chief Okeze before returning to Ugwuausa.
Nah, Bonnie, if that girl were to be an odd in any betting side, I would have bet that they will bring her back here in 3 days. At least maximum of 5 days. And the odd point will be over 5.5. And I'm sure that the ticket will not cut. I'm sure. She lacked home training.
Onye zukwado. Onye ga-azụ ya. Me? Her mother is at large. Nobody has seen her anywhere. She ran away since nobody has seen her since then. The father, out of frustration, become a drunkard. So, Kelezo. In fact, I don't know what would have become of that girl if not for me and my family. That girl visited school at all is me. That she has been feeding is me. My wife also has tried her own bit. But upon that, this girl has no respect for anybody at all. In fact, we are tired. We are very tired.
Chief Okeze will see Shege.
I want Chief Okeze. I want him, but I told Grace of God also to be at her best behavior. But I told her not to return to this house no matter what. So maybe she's trying to behave fine.
Let's see now. Maybe she heeds to your advice.
Who
knows?
I believe she heed. That's why we have not had anything from Chief Okeze and family. Maka Grace here can be a dollar. I have a good Maka Grace how much. What do I give you? What do I offer you? I have something. Let me get
I want to say thank you for everything so far.
Just wait first. You see that girl, Grace? That girl.
You mean Grace? Hope you've not given her food since morning.
I have not. But she can't be too quiet. She know they talk. The thing, I don't know. He can't do me somehow for my heart. I can't be pity her.
Pity her? No, now. You're doing the right thing. You're just only installing discipline on her.
I know. But the way she just keep quiet, she no talk. You no reason am. She no beg. She no cry. Nothing. She just look everybody eye like that. No, it dey give me concern. I no trust am. I read into that quietness.
So, you're telling me you're scared?
Which one be scared? I'm not scared though. It's just that quietness, pure. Much. Be girl where I know.
See, please, let's forget about that little girl and talk something better. You understand? Afana, I would like to see you tonight. You mean?
That one no go work. Say, That one now, na problem be since that small girl come. And you know, also know, say, Oga say, make she dey sleep for my room. Me? I beg you.
See,
I no one cast.
That's why I said at night, when she just fall asleep, you come. You understand?
Very, very risky. You see that girl? Better one than she be. She not dey sleep for nights.
That's why I said, don't worry. Just wash her closely. Immediately she fall asleep, then you sneak out.
You know, say anytime we conjure who you could talk nonsense. Now you I tell say she no dey sleep. How you want take make I take sneak out? You want make I fly? I beg you. This one wey this girl just dey quiet like this since. I sure say she dey think of how she go take hit me back. Hey, as e be so. Na war o, na better war. After all, na she first hate me for no reason. Wetin I do am? She see me, she just hate me like that. Small pikin like this go just hate a mama mate. She know say I get pikin somewhere wey fit senior her. She no know. Anyway, make she carry am come. We go dig around.
Lack of respect is what I'm seeing. Every day fighting, every day scatter. A very grace of God, a very grace, a very grace. Trouble every day. War for war. Waiting be the case. Not disagreement. I better not agree. Grace of God, no agree. Got a lot in the same building. I got a lot in the same building.
Yes. What are you doing here? Small shit. What are you doing here?
What does it look like I'm doing? I'm swimming. Or I'm playing. Madam, I'm cooking in case you are blind. I'm cooking.
Cooking what?
Cooking your head. Maybe yesterday you stabbed me. You said that nobody will enter this kitchen and nobody has the right to dish the food you made. Today is my turn. So today I decided to cook the food myself and nobody will dish the food I made too.
See, by the time I close this my eye, open up. Make it be say you don't vamoose from my kitchen.
Only your kitchen. Not your bedroom.
No allow my temperament rise, though. Because if my temperament rise, I will deal with you.
Madam, deal with me. Let me see. Let's start your temperament rise. Let me see.
Come.
If I'm you, said I will convert this into fasting because you will not eat anything till 8 p.m. Bet me.
Come this morning. You be like say you think say me and you they play for here. If I want you slap time, go come out from my kitchen.
Come
They
out for
play.
where? Now me the customer rat again. Come out for where?
Come, you this little rat. You be like say they keep quiet. You think say I don't know what I go do you. Now when I look you finish, come on, let me talk this
No,
one.
shout for me. Don't shout for me.
Which one you
Let
want
me
to shout
enter
for
with
you?
you first. No chance me.
See as you dey. You want cook? You for say you want cook yourself. You get out.
I'm not getting
Come on,
out.
keep
Leave
this
me
one.
alone now.
Get
Leave me
out
alone.
of
What
here.
is this away now?
Shut.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Shut up.
Leave me alone.
Get out.
Leave me alone.
Stop that, both of you. What's going on?
Shoot.
And I heard you call her small rat. I want you not to call her rat. Her name is not rat.
Oga, let me explain.
No, don't. I don't want any explanation from you. Don't explain anything.
Oga, this little rat, this little girl here, enter kitchen this morning, begin cook what I don't know. This is not even there for roaster today. Person where beans wan swallow. Wetin she know where she wan cook? She wan fall inside the pot. Abi she no know say the gas cooker top pass am. If she injure herself now, they go say na me do am. Na make I dey shout, make everybody hear my voice o.
Grace of God,
Sir.
is it true?
Sir, I only want to make food for the family, though. I just wanted to cook so that everybody eat and enjoy life. She's telling me that I should not cook. That if I cook, she will beat me. Instead of calling me small rat. Why now?
Let me now define your duty in the house. Every cooking in the house is going to be done by Berry. While your own duty is to clean the entire house and the environs. Is that understood?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Why?
Why?
Why are you asking me why?
Why now? You too, why? Because you are limiting my potentials. Why?
I am not in any way limiting your potentials. You can as well expand your potentials while doing the cleaning within the house and outside the house. So I don't want to hear this rancor between both of you. Understand?
Let me cook what
Yes, sir.
they only today.
Yes, sir.
No.
Bedia, I'm not fair. I'm going to make I see. Small girl. Small girl will say, elder, no go sleep. She too no go sleep. Ike di ebe niile, ma Jesus carry ya.
Excuse me, let me mop this kitchen. Excuse me, let me mop kitchen. Still not available. Who is doing that one with you?
You see this kitchen? You don't feel more power. So carry your dirty water, come off for here. Let me do my job. When I'm done, I will mop the kitchen.
No clean for me. Leave me make I discharge my duties. I beg, I want clean my kitchen.
I know who you. If you like, they shout, they bark like dog. I know who you. The only thing why I talk be say is either you leave the kitchen, come out, or you come back when I am done. But if you want continue. If I cook this food finish, make I see who hunger go wire in mouth. Make I see that person wey go come here dey cry like bingo because say hunger dey hammer am. Na that time we go know mbe na abụ nke bụ oke. And I'm I no get time. Mmeri bụ nke m. Oh! Mgbe ị ga-anọ, agụụ ga-ahụ gị anya. Ị ga-eti anya gị anya gị. Ị ga-etikwa afọ gị afọ gị. Ị ga-eti anya gị anya gị. Ị ga-eti mgbịrị afọ gị. Mbana, you for stay. Make hunger wire you well today.
Who are you? Who are you?
Who are you, little brat?
I am talking to you, you are talking to me back. I said, who are you? Big rat.
Peter! Peter!
Ma!
Peter!
Good afternoon, ma.
Peter, who is this little brat? Mannerless.
Grace? Grace is not little. Her name is Grace of God. Grace now. Oga Felix girlfriend.
Me, I don't care. Eh? So you don't have sense. You don't have common sense. Even if it's small sense, you don't have. So as you're coming inside here, you know that I'm mopping this place. Are you not seeing what I said? You now want to use that stupid leg and match everywhere. Leg that you brought, you use that match that gutter.
Peter,
Ma?
who the hell is this thing?
Who the hell are you two?
Wow.
Wow.
Nerves. Peter,
Her name is...
where did you bring this thing from? What is she doing in this house?
Sorry, I see her. But her name is Grace of God. Grace?
Of God.
Grace?
Of God.
That's her name. Grace. Her name is Madam Vivian and she's Oga Felix girlfriend.
Me, I don't want to hear her name. Me, I don't want to hear her
Grace
name.
of God or whatever you call yourself. It's like you lack manners.
You two, you lack manners. Really? So I will slap you. I will slap you. Me, I'm not in the mood though. I will slap you. You lack manners too. My body, they pay me like this. Try this place after I slap you, eh? I'm not in the mood though. I will slap you. I will slap you. If you like, call Babangida, call anybody you want to call. Anytime I tell you to go, you will go.
Babe, I came to your house and I saw a little brat. She stopped me from coming in. Why are you asking me question? I'm right outside.
45 seconds remaining.
You can hear that? She's even counting for me. Okay.
30 seconds remaining.
Don't worry. Just be talking. My boyfriend is coming.
20 seconds remaining.
Grace, why are you embarrassing my guest?
15 seconds remaining.
I am talking to you. Why are you embarrassing my guest?
10 seconds remaining. 5 seconds remaining.
Are you daft?
Okay, you can go now.
For real?
No, Grace. What is that for?
What is what for? Okay, for her. I told her not to go inside because I don't want her to go and fall. You know that this thing, I'm mopping this place. And you know if water touch tiles, if you go there now, you will fall. And if you hit your head on tiles, you will die. So I don't want her to die because she's wearing buckle shoe.
Babe, she's lying. She's lying. See, she used this movie stick on my leg. Look at my leg.
Me?
She almost pushed me
They
down.
lie. They lie. I'm not touching. I just told her that she should not walk inside. I'm even pitying you, so I'm doing you a good thing because Oga, see now, you reason am. That's very risky. If you match am when in the water, if you do like this, come for it or head. No be die, you go die. Not die now. When I will be woman, I'm not go listen to person. I tell you something. I'm not insulting you. I'm trying to give you common sense that is not common.
Shut up!
Baby, it's okay. It's okay. Please, don't get worked up by this little girl. Come on. Let's go inside.
Is that all you can say? Peter was here when she insulted me.
Who is Peter? I'm not insulting you, madam. Okay, see, Oga, if somebody tell that that is a small girl, as small as I did like this now, I feel beat this auntie or push am, you go green. They lie. If you they lie, they try to improve. They stand strong in the lie. If they lie, no, they shake in the lie. Lie your lie, make you stand well.
Can you shut up?
Yes, sir.
Baby, it's okay. Let's go inside, okay? Just forget about it.
It's not what you do to her.
That's okay.
You won't punish her.
Let's go inside.
Come on, clean her.
Say you want to for her.
No. Sorry.
You know what she's doing to
Sorry,
me.
now I'm cleaning this.
Can't you clean this place?
This life, you cannot do good to people. Oh.
Stupid girl.
It's okay. Just leave her.
You want to fall? I help you stand. You dirty your leg. I clean your leg. You are complaining. Now what for you? Small girl like you are visiting man house. You are visiting man. I'm not blaming you, sir. Now, Oga Simulomoro they blame. Now you they blame. They carry girl, they call house. That is kind of girl now. They marry them. 2 weeks, they go break up, divorce. Divorce people go they fly everywhere. Blim.
You have to calm down. Eh? Besides, she's just a little girl. Eh? Tell me, where did you return back from? Abuja?
See, don't ask me that question. Don't just sweep this issue under the carpet. What do you mean? I asked you a question outside there. Who is that little brat? Who is she?
Grace of God.
Grace of God. Peter said she's grace of God. You are saying she's grace of God. That girl behaves like a devil. Didn't you see what she did to me outside there? Felix, who is that girl?
I just told you her name is Grace of God.
You mean Grace? Is that her real name?
Her name is Grace of God.
Whatever. I don't care whether she's grace of God or grace of devil or grace of whatever she wants to answer. She insulted me outside there and you didn't do anything. It made cleaner.
Babe, she was right. That was the reason I didn't even react.
What? Make me understand something. Are you saying she was right because she mentioned about tiles?
Yes. It's wrong for you to walk on wet floor.
Okay, what about her saying I don't have common sense?
Oh, that I'm not in support of what she said. Babe, please, can you just calm down? Let's forget about all these little things. Eh? So tell me, when did you return from Abuja?
Don't be too petty. Who is that one whooping at me?
It's our chef.
God. I'm getting tired of the 99% of madness in this house. Come over here! Come! Why are you looking at me like a fool? As if you have seen a ghost. Go and get me a glass of water. Go get me a glass of water.
Can you just relax? Calm down.
Everybody's just getting on my nerves, including you that is my boyfriend. You wouldn't say anything from outside to inside.
Just relax. I don't know why you're putting on this attitude.
God. What's this madness?
Sorry for you.
Why are you being sorry? Excuse me! Leave me alone!
Babe, just calm
Like
down.
I said before, I am tired of the 99% madness in this house. Please, I'm leaving!
Can you calm down?
Come on, stay away from me!
Babe!
Everybody's just sick.
Babe! And what was that for?
Grace of God. Grace of God. See, I don't know why you no like me. I don't even know what I do you will make you hate me. But I don't think I'm. And it no make sense to me. I know what make me and you be rat and the cat for this house. No, now. No, yeah, na akali. Let me be the elder way they here. You know, say I don't tell you since say I get pikin. I get pikin we go don grow well. So, as we dey here, I suppose they like your mother. You know, somebody where you go they talk to anytime where you want to talk something or something they bother you. I go they protect you. They give you advice. Because this thing where would they do? They shame me, oh. I no go lie you. They shame me. Can't they like where me and person where I they owe the not to born? They do reggae yogo. It no make sense. So I don't want trouble again. I want peace.
You want peace?
Mm-hmm.
We did for war before.
I beg, stop all this thing where you dey do now. You know what I dey talk.
No, I don't know. Please tell me. Did you offend me?
I offend you.
Wow. So tell me about it now.
The other day I no give you food on time. I starve you.
Oh, really? Thank God you still remember. Thank God. Wow. Shay, you want peace? I don't hear you now.
Does that mean we don't settle? Talk now. We don't settle, Abi, we never settle. Correct, gear. Now you come. I know say leave all this thing where they do you too correct. See. You see that girl we find Oga come here today? Makachi, that girl no get sense. That girl they very useless. But I hear say you too much. Did I hear say you tell her say you no get common sense at all?
Trust me now. I tell them something we even enter her body well. You know, so some people, they no go get sense. Even if they grow, they no go still get sense. So I talk small sense enter them today.
That one sweet me. As I just hear her, it thing just turn my head. It sweet me. So tell me, who that girl be to Oga?
Peter say na Oga girlfriend. And me, I just dey smell marriage. Small time and they go marry. You better make I tell you the truth. Me too, I like make the two of them marry. Make Oga get sense small. You know, say if the girl now marry Oga go come, they calm down. They get small sense. Make two of them marry. I like two of them together. You know good. I just want to worry again. Oh shit. Sorry.
Babe, come on. Babe. Don't tell me you're still angry about what happened the other day.
Felix, why won't I be angry with you? No, tell me, why won't I be angry with you? Look at me, Vivian. Just check me out. I know rich. I carried my 2 left leg and came to your house. And you allowed those low life to insult me.
Please just calm down. I mean, relax. I thought I pleaded the other day.
For real? Is that how to calm a lady down? No, tell me. Don't you know what to do? Spray me money. Take me out. Let me feel the vibe that you're sorry. You don't just have to stand there and be telling me I'm sorry, on top of your mouth.
Fine, babe. Please, can we go inside and talk?
Inside where? My house? No, tell me. Where do you want to go to inside my house? Hell no. It's not happening. Not until you sack those things in your house. But by the way, where did you hire them from?
I wasn't the one who hired them. My dad did. You know, the other housekeeper we had traveled. I think she got married or something. So my dad hired a bere.
Well, a bere I can deal. But you see that short bottle of malt? That fowl? That one piece? I can't deal with her. See, I'm going to kill her with my bare hands. My blood is hot.
Babe, see, you don't know how much I need that rat out of the house. More than you do. I think her name is affecting her.
What do you mean?
Do you know how many times I've approached my dad to kick that rat out of the house? But he refused. He said he made commitment to the father to take good care of her. And the father has relocated to North or something like that.
You see this sermon you're reading? This is what you people do at the pulpit. I am not interested in it. Not until you're done with what I'm saying or listening to me or do my instructions. I am not in for this, okay?
Babe, I thought I just explained to you.
Hey, don't make an inch. Don't just shift.
You're pushing me.
Go back. See, if you cross, I will send the dogs on you.
Vivian, babe.
Child! Hey! Hey!
Nai.
Ah,
Okay.
it's a dream.
Dream.
It's a dream, grace of God. Hey.
What's the dream all about? What happened?
It's just a dream.
Grace of God. Again, what? What happened in the dream?
In my dream, I saw grace of God brought back to this house by Chief Okezie.
Hey!
Hi.
Nani, your dream is not far-fetched, though.
What are you talking about?
Nani, grace of God has left this village, but her footprints are everywhere. Get all those who be far, because.
What do you mean? What are you talking about?
Nani, look at Polycarp and Ada. Look at the way they are walking as if there is war.
If there is war, it must be a grace war. Polly, Adako, this war your faces are like this.
Okay.
Are you asked to arrest me?
Hey!
To arrest us? What is going on? I hope all is well.
Nah, all is not well, oh.
Why is all not well? What happened to all? What is he suffering from?
Nah, I have been looking for my he-goat for a week now. Only to go to Polycarp's compound and found it tied there.
Am I the one that tied it? Or is it my wife?
Nah, Polycarp said that it was your niece, Grace of God, that sold it to him.
Bam. Hey! Grace of God again. Grace of God, you have left this village, but your troubles are still here.
Trouble.
Hey!
So, Nai, if not that she showed me a hidden mark on that goat that I never knew existed, I would have argued with her. You understand? But she showed me that mark. I wasn't able to say anything. In fact, as it is now, I need my money back. I'm not even talking about the money I used to feed that goat for weeks now. Oh?
Polly, Grace of God has left for the city. She is no longer here in this village. So, there's no one to verify your story.
What do you mean by that? In other words?
I don't know. I don't really know. How could you transact any business with the grace of God?
Small girl.
Grace of God, take this case anywhere. Grace of God, consider her size, consider her character, consider her everything about her. How could you transact any business with such person? You know her very well, and you went and transacted business with her. What do you want me to do now?
Nai, Grace of God told me that her father was traveling to the north, and she herself was about to go to the city, and there will be no one to take care of that goat. So that's why she sold the goat to me. I bought that goat for 20,000 naira.
20,000?
Nai, I need my money.
Hey!
I need my money back.
20,000
naira.
Where do I get 20,000 naira? Where do I get 20,000 naira? Can you imagine? 20,000. Polly. You said that Adaku showed you evidence on the goat that the goat belongs to her.
Yes, Nai.
But you have not shown me any evidence that you bought that goat from grace of God.
Okay.
Hey.
Yes, you are a thief.
Yes.
And your innocence is proven.
Moi.
Until you prove to me that grace of God sold that goat to you. I don't know what to tell you. That's the way it is.
Yes.
Abio.
Yes.
Polycarp, I'm going to take my goat
That
now.
would I
I'm
will
going
get-
to take my goat.
Nai. So this is how you want to judge this matter. This is the way you want to handle this matter, eh?
How else do you want me to handle it?
Eh?
There have to be evidence.
In fact, I'll be back. Adaku,
Wait
wait to
where?
I'll fetch for that goat. Oh.
But this girl
Don't
won't
touch my
kill
goat.
us.
Oh.
Kedu do so be far.
My only fear is that dream I had.
Hey.
Because if Chief Okeze bring that girl back to this house, I'll strangle her. I'll strangle her with my bare hands.
Grace of
No,
God
not
again.
I cannot-
Grace of God.
I can- hey,
Eh? Yeah, madam, grace of God again.
You are so sweet, oh. You are so good, oh. Jesus, you are.
Grace, what is it?
Welcome, sir. Sir, I am cleaning. I'm mopping, so I said, let me come and clean this side.
Can't you see I was taking a nap?
Sorry, sir. I can see it, but I'm doing my work, sir.
Something must be wrong with her head.
No, sir.
Can't you be doing other places or leave this place until I'm done with my napping?
Sorry, sir. You paid me for the work, and this place is very dirty, so I need to clean it.
Shut up and get out.
All right, sir.
I said get out.
What you? Sorry, sir.
Get out.
Should I carry the something?
Done.
Jesus, you are so good. Oh. You are so nice. Oh. You are so good. Oh. Jesus, you are so good. Oh.
Here. Ha.
Why you dey shout now? Wetin happen? Oh,
Why you no dey sleep? Small girl like you. Wetin you dey think? You no fit sleep.
e concern you. Big aunty, e concern you. Whether I sleep or not, e concern you.
Hey!
Wait. You want to enter inside me? So you are observing me? Eh? Why were you looking inside my eyes? Why do you want to enter inside my mouth?
Abeg, go and sit down. I wan know whether you don sleep. Any bad thing dey there? Eh? I wan check your face make I know whether your neck bend, make I straighten am for you. Make you no come die for here, they go say na me kill you.
As to my guardian angel,
Cause no.
Angel Michael, Angel Gabriel.
Angel Ebere. Na wetin I be.
See, I know say na witch you be. You no go ever catch me. Go tell those people for your cover say you no see me. You no go see me. Okay. See me.
Close your mouth.
You don't become witch.
Which one be which? Which one be which? Come. But why you know they sleep? No, I want know.
You concern you. You go force me make her sleep.
You know, say you no get shaking respect for your body. Half respect you no get. My friend, close that your eyes and sleep.
See this wahala. Person dey force me make her sleep. Make I inform you, sleep no even dey this side. I no dey sleep. You hear me? I no go sleep this night.
You mean say you no go sleep?
I no dey sleep.
At all.
But make I enter night vigil.
Make una secret, yo, stubborn child, yo. Now which can begin be this, yo? Oh, she no get respect, yo, at all. Anywhere she dey, a trouble. Anywhere she enter, wahala. She no go school, but she can defend herself. She go tell you common sense, yo, no sense it be. This kind girl, I never see her before. She be wahala. Trouble, go. She don't enter, everybody go hear her. Oh. She not gonna be for you, no matter who you be. Yes, God, don't enter, everybody go collect you. She not gonna be for you, no matter who you be. She not agree at all, no matter who you be. She not gonna be for you, no matter who you be. The population them not big. Grace of God, stubborn child. She not gonna be for you, no matter who you be. Grace of God, she be one. Trouble, go. Grace of God,
Are you sick in the head?
No, sir.
Are you losing it?
No.
What is it?
Jesus.
You told me you served my food. Is this my food?
Yes, sir. I served the food. I don't know how. Hey!
Is this supposed to be a prank or something?
Prank? No, sir. I served the food, sir. I don't know.
So, sachet water is my food.
Sorry, sir. Let me go and get your food, sir.
Her name na Grace. I beg you put them God.
Hold on, sir. Do you need anything?
I don't need anything.
Okay, sir. Are you sure you're fine?
Get out!
Thank you, sir.
Sachet water has become my food. What a therapy.
Stop now.
What is stop? See, my father is in his chamber resting now. See, quick, we no go bad though. Rush hours, normal routine now. You know every.
Your father is in his inner chamber resting. Eziokwu. What of grace of devil? Where in day? You don't think I'm.
You look now, nobody is seeing us. See, you did not come again yesterday as promised. You don't need to promise and fail down.
For where? You know say that idiot no sleep the whole of last night. If I close eye open, I saw your eye bright, wide like torchlight wey in battery full.
That girl is a problem in this household.
Big one, oh. Very big one. See, now that kind of girl you suppose to find how you want deal with. Because if you leave that girl, see, very soon she go turn to very big stone wey hang for our neck. We no go fit do anything about it that time.
See, that girl has to leave this house.
Now you are talking. Now you are talking. Ngwa, like this now. What you want to do? How you want run am?
Dad, good evening.
Oh, good evening, Felix. How are you?
I'm good.
Did you send the list I asked you to send to Barry and Sons?
Yes, I've already sent it. Good. Dad, there's something I want to talk about.
Hopefully there's no problem.
Not at all. Father, I was thinking if letting that little girl stay in this house was a good idea.
Are you talking about grace of God?
Yes, grace of God. Despite she's behaving like someone that doesn't have the grace of God.
She's just a little girl. She's just a small girl.
Dad, that girl does not belong in this house. See, she doesn't have home training. I mean, if this girl continues to stay in this house, I'll kill her with my bare hands. So let her go back to the village where she belongs.
Felix, drop that subject. She doesn't have home training. If she doesn't have home training, then teach her. The home training you keep thinking that you have, someone else taught you. What is all this? Look, I promised her father I was going to bring her in here and give her home training. She's going to be here and she's going nowhere. So if you cannot teach her, you got to tolerate her.
But Dad, with the attitude she's putting on, I don't think I can live with her.
I'm done with you.
Dad.
Sweet me die. It sweet me die. This is my name, Grace of God. The answer for me. If they stand for me, let me make it good, make the answer better name. Grace of God. Everywhere you go, grace go dey follow you. No be make the answer nonsense name. Name like Ebere. Make people dey pity you. If you do something, they will dey pity you. Ebere. Wetin be Ebere? Answer grace. Answer success. Oh my God. Oh my God. You see this as I die here. He no go walk. He no go walk. Grace of God. God is with you. Grace. Anywhere you go, grace is following you. Grace of God. Amara Chineke. Chineke Chukwu. I am. I know who God says I am. Child. Amara Chineke.
You feel reduce your voice? Eh? Reduce your voice. Normal people like us want sleep. No be our fault say abnormal people like you wey no get sense. This time of the night, na you choose to begin croak like frog.
I don't understand, madam. I tell you make you no sleep. And how your eyes say you no go sleep? Shebi na you lie down for bed like this, get plenty space. You no go
You dey disturb me. Na you make I no fit sleep. No be even say the voice sweet. Abeg. Sleep, Chinchi. Sleep, oh.
Well, make I tell you something. I no wan sleep. And I no go sleep. No dey force me sleep. I no go sleep.
No, I no dey force you. I dey beg you. Ngwa no obere sleep. Small shit, sleep, because you sleep. If you croak here finish now, tomorrow na me go enter kitchen begin cook. You want make I enter? I fall enter fire. Sleep now.
This are the play, abi. I no dey sleep.
You know they sleep. You get something why I even want to ask you.
Wetin?
Why you know they respect me? No, I want to know.
Nobody respect.
Why you know that? Because even if that village where you come from, na garri when they drink morning, afternoon, night, and the garri don't spoil your eye finish, the small remaining one go look me finish, no say, I know be your age mates. See, may I tell you, I get picky, you know. I get picky way fit senior you.
Every time. I get picky, no. Wetin happen to me? I no be human being. No be mama born me. I get mama wey even senior you. My mama strong. My mama even get money. My mama get better money. If my mama enter here, you no go feel look her face safe. Na because say me, I say I no want too much pamper.
Why are both of you disturbing the entire household by this time of the night?
So, is that why you don't have sense, Mr. Man?
Hey, listen to me, Grace. Don't try that bullshit with me. If not, I will skin you alive.
What is the bullshit? She is though. I'm serious, oh. It's a bullshit. I'm not doing bullshit with you. Why will you enter woman, female's room? You don't knock. You just enter. Eh? What if somebody is naked? You don't enter like that. You don't even knock. Because you think that this place is your father's house. So even if it's your father's house, you cannot do anything, no. This place is our privacy. So, Mr. Man, I want you to go.
So I should get out?
Yes, go. Before I will call Organa. Go. Come out now. Ha. Like I was saying, my mama get plenty money.
You know, guess.
Okay.
Imagine, this little girl is beginning to frustrate me in my own father's house. Eh? Look at Iberia who was just eating for free. She has become a bad market to eat. What kind of rubbish is this? Eh? Even Vivian cannot even come to the house because of this same girl. No, I will do something to make him have reasons to send her back to the village. What kind of nonsense is this? Frustrating me in my own father's house. What will I do?
Jesus. Okay, stop now. What do you do like this now? What do they match like say you know do exercise, do it for outside?
So what's the meaning of that?
What is the meaning of that? You know since I don't the mop, I don't mop this place finish. You can't the knock leg for grand.
And so? So because you mopped everywhere, so I should walk on the sky, Abi?
Let me say you go walk normal like woman be. You can't do like this.
Oh, well, good. I'm glad you noticed. So you will repeat this cleaning again until I say it's okay. Do you understand?
They play. They why yourself. Don't be me, you don't see you. Go meet the tell and say you don't see me.
No complain. Do your job so that you don't have that time to do this your chop gossip.
Which chop gossip? I gossip.
Oh, you don't understand, Abi? So tell me, what business do you have with Iberi telling her that girl came to the house?
Well, I don't know. She asked me say who gets bag. I tell her say it be like say Oga na the girlfriend who Oga carry come. I no be say I tell her say you get girlfriend where you come carry come house. I tell her it be like say.
Who gave you the audacity to give her that answer? Who?
Can I know my offense? I just tell her say it be like say no be say look I lie to her.
It's okay. You see, stick to the cleaning, eh? More cleaning for you, eh?
Lack of respect is what I'm seeing. Every day fighting. Every day scatter. A very grace of God, a very grace you, a very grace.
I don't get her. Change the fear. Come here, you saw. Where you think they go?
Grace, what are you adding to that pot of food? Eh? Nothing.
You say what? Nothing. Na Cameroon pepper. Na this girl carry pour for inside food where I cook. Shey you dey see am? You dey see say na she set me up. See food where I cook finish, she carry pepper pour inside. Na the same thing she do today why I serve Oga finish. Oga open plate, na pure water dey inside. Na she do am. Shey you dey see am?
Grace.
Blended curry I put, no be Cameroon pepper.
Oh, well, blended curry. Good. Ebere, you know what? Eh? Let me go out. Just dish the food for her. No, you will eat this food. No, you can use it until you get fast. Stop on! Eat the food. You must eat it. I go finish now. I go come on. I'll be your man. No, you don't say. Come on.
Trouble every day. War for war. Waiting be the case. Now disagreement. I better not agree. Grace of God, no agree. God and rat in the same building. I got and rat in the same building. Who go agree for each other? Now very big problem. Oh, this now very big problem. Ayaga ga-agbapụrụ na agbapụrụ ka m jụọ. Anyị ga-agbaru n'ọsọ ka m jụọ. What if you kill yourselves today because of I no gree? Tomorrow is too far. Yeah, I don't go. Tomorrow is far. I'm not running magic. Yeah, I don't go. Leave us one. Tomorrow is far. Tomorrow is too far. Far away. Leave us too far. Tomorrow is far. Mama, Papa, train your children very well. No matter the condition, no matter the weather.
God, let it be what I am thinking. Let it just be what I am thinking, because you see these people, I am ready to deal with them. So again, I'm the one who is play. I'm the one who is do like this. Go catch you.
What you thought is what they grow with. Do not discourage them at all. Do not deceive them at all. Onye bakwa nkwalolo, nkwalolo, ngwala biolele, obiolele. Onye baba nyapakala, otobi eji yopuntu. Onye bakwa nkwalolo, nkwalolo, ngwala biolele, obiolele. Onye baba nyapakala, otobi eji yopuntu. It's teaching time, saves life. Makabano bano kujiaji. Ohuru wupute ya no mercy. Onye bakwa nkwalolo, nkwalolo, ngwala biolele, obiolele. Onye baba nyapakala, otobi ejiri ya buntu. Onye bakwa nkwalolo, nkwalolo, ngwala biolele, obiolele. Onye baba nyapakala, otobi ejiri ya buntu.
Say cheese.
Okay, keep that for you recording us.
Yes, ma'am.
Shey, you don't see
Stop
that.
that.
Hey, Bulu, stop that. Hey,
Come on, stop that.
see, which kind of thing be all this one now?
Give me that phone.
Give me which phone?
It's not what you think now.
It's not what I think. What did I think? I knew it. Is it two of you? You people have been ganging up against me. I've been seeing the future. That it has been showing me the future, showing me stars, but because of my ignorance, I did not know. But now,
Hey, listen, there was nothing happening. Absolutely nothing. Did you hear me?
hold down your explanation. So put them for your pocket or throw them away, so that by the time one will give Oga this explanation, this matter.
Give me that phone.
Phone where I don't lock. You know my password.
Grace, sing. Give me that phone.
No, but
So you were recording us?
see, I will carry this phone now, go tell you the matter for Oga, and I will come explain myself. Okay.
Shut up, man.
What is going on there?
Dad, nothing. I had it too, so nothing is happening.
Boy never sleep. He go still hear this gist. You hear me so? See this one? I go still tell you. Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
I'm sure if I lock your head.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
You wake my dad again. Just calm
Ah.
down. Okay,
Evidence, Dakota.
tell us, what do you want?
What I want. You see, You see a life? Unlike you. See? You just say, see, what you want. Because in one piece, you like problem always. And I go give up to you. Bastos. Oh yeah, Oga, sit down, make we talk, make we reason.
Go sit down. Shebi na you dey pamper am. Sit down.
I know say two of una don dey plan. Make una send me back go village. First of all, make una die that plan. Die am. Because if I ever go down, anything wey go make me go down, all of us go go down together. And the down wey go, we no go fit hold anything. We go for yakata. Let's up. Hey.
I'll give you back hand.
Okay.
Okay.
So for now, make I show una small. Say una secrets dey safe. For now. But any menge, I go sing out loud, everybody go hear am. Deal?
Deal.
You?
Get out.
You see?
Deal.
No, she go talk. You know you go talk for her. She go talk. Ha! Yeah, that's about you. That's about.
Say yes.
Deal?
Deal, Ekwensu. Deal.
No, I don't know. Make I go sleep. Deal. Sleep.
You see am? You see wetin you cause now? I no tell you. I no tell you say this girl go be problem to us. I no tell you. Now see wetin dey happen. See wetin small girl just take person dey do yeye. Eh? See as she won't bring shame for my body. See as she won't comot my leg for outside.
See, just relax. Eh? See, as long as she knows we're not going to throw her out of this house, she will not say anything.
I mean, no, let me relax. Relax. Now you relax. Now you put us for this wahala. And everything na your fault. Na your fault. Because you know if you keep... I beg, bring that with voice. Bring that with voice. You see the talk. Don't worry.
More evidence. Cut off camera.
That was why I was trying to delay the whole thing. So by the time it's stopped, you'll be able to see the entire picture. Okay? That's a good idea. That reminds me. Call me on phone and said we're going to discuss something. I was in an important meeting that time, and besides, I didn't come back home early. So what is it now?
Did I say that? I can't remember saying something like that.
Felix, you can't remember you talking to me on phone and telling me that the grace of God has brought up a new conduct and that you want her to go.
Dad, honestly, I can't remember saying anything like that to you.
Hey, brother.
Sir?
What happened yesterday? What does the grace of God do?
Grace of God. I did not say anything. I did not see her do anything.
Grace of God.
Sir.
Come. You were screaming yesterday, calling my name.
Yes, sir.
What happened? Was it a dream?
No, it's not nightmare, though. Sir, should I talk? Sir, what happened yesterday, eh? God. Anyway, it's just a very bad, terrible, horror, original, authentic dream.
Say it anyhow.
Sir, in that my dream, I saw this our guy, and I saw kitchen madam. You know what all they were doing? Child abomination onto the next level. Ha!
What do I do?
Two of them were pursuing me everywhere around this compound. They were chasing me. I say I am not going anywhere. I am here to stay. I am not living anywhere. And I say they will plan so they will pursue me out of this compound. I say go and plan. Come back. I am here. I go nowhere.
Okay. Grace of God. Grace of God, listen to me. That's one thing I want to assure you. Go ahead and do your job in this house. Nobody will chase you out of this house.
Sure, sir. Speak to me.
Grace, Grace.
Waiting.
Which one be waiting?
Waiting with that.
No, they ask me like that. You know, she said day don't break.
So?
Wake up now so you go do your job.
Now they do the job for me.
Huh?
Now you they do the job for me. What's it concern you? I beg, you leave me. Make her sleep. Anytime I wake up, I go to work.
Starting when? No, I want to know. Starting when? When it be say now when you like, you go get up, come do your work.
I don't understand. Must we worry? This woman leave me alone now. Let me have peace. Leave me alone. As I don't tell you, say if I wake up, I go do am. Leave me alone, oh. Abi, you want to pass? You want to pass, Abi? Better they calm down. If you provoke me, if you do anyhow, I'll just go and run my mouth to Oga. I will play tape. Give her. Respect yourself.
Don't do. Never reach like that. I just say make I wake you up so that you and Oga don't quarrel.
Madam, come out here. Make her rest.
No problem. Sleep on.
Alright, Dad. When I get home, I'll talk more. Hey, babe.
What is the meaning of this? Why do I have to walk under the sun to come and see you?
Oh, I'm so sorry. I went to see my dad's manager. His house is not far from here, so that's why I called you to just meet me up here. I'm sorry.
Really? So because you're here to see your father's manager, that is why I was stressed under the hot sun. Why didn't you pick me up?
I'm sorry, I just said his house is not far from here. Okay? Please, can we just put this aside? You look so lavishing. I mean, I feel like licking you like lollipop.
For real?
Yes, of
Is
course.
that compliment for me?
What do you mean?
Yes, because I can't remember the last time you complimented me.
Oh,
I know
come
it was all about chaos the last time I visited your home, so...
Oh, baby, come on, stop that now. See, listen to me. You don't need compliments every day to know that you're indeed beautiful and natural. Yes, of course.
Thank you very much. By the way, have you done what I asked you to do? Have you sent Grace packing?
Babe, can we just take a walk while we talk?
No. Felix, no, I am not working with you. I am tired already. You're not even pitying me. I can't work with you.
Babe, come on, stop this now.
No, I can't.
I just want us to walk and talk.
Felix, you know what? I don't want us to drag this issue. You have not done what I asked you to do.
Okay, babe. Can we just drive down to any eatery or somewhere chill so that we can talk? I don't know why you're giving me this attitude.
I can't. I know what you're thinking, right? I know you so well. You are very jealous, and I know what you're thinking. There is no man in my life, but I think I should give you a break until you do what I asked you to do. But by the way, are you giving me any tips to go back with?
Babe, I don't understand you. Why are you giving me all this attitude? You don't want to come to my house. You don't want us to go somewhere and relax. Why?
You're not ready. When you're ready, I will know.
Babe, didn't you just say that to me?
Come back. Bye. Come now. Come. Bye. Afana, you are back.
Grace.
Of God. Put that of God. Don't use your word. Put it for me. Be adding it there. You don't use to hear word. This man. Put it. So, You are back. And I say you should not be getting me angry this period. Though. Don't just vex me. Because if you vex me, you know what's up. You know, Abby? I go play tape, give your papa. You know. So, Alpha, out to the Congo. Why I called this because I was doing something online and my data finished. So I wanted to sub for me. You not hear me? I say why I called this because I was doing something online, my data finished. So I wanted to sub for me. You don't know what sub is? Like, I wanted to buy internet data for me. Data, so that I can go online and do what I was doing. Alpha, why you dey soak like bread when they put water? Alpha, what's happening? And I also need 10K pocket money in case of anything I need so that I can use that one the matter, you understand? Yes. So now transfer be now cash the give.
Call the number.
081.
Wetin that one come in? E be like say you dey craze. Why you dey video me? You dey mad? I go break that your phone now. I go break. Come, respect yourself. Oh. Come, oh, make I even ask you sef. You know say you no get sense. Shebi you get some things wey you do, wey we know, wey we keep for you, abi? You can't get just one thing wey you know, wey we do. Wey instead of you to keep am for us like we keep your own for you. You can't use me dey do slave for here. No be so. Na me dey clean floor wey you suppose clean now. Abi? No be one. No be 1 verse 1. No be 1. Instead of you to keep am for us, you just carry me dey do slave for here. Na me dey clean floor wey you suppose clean. No be so.
Well, if you want make it be 1-1, then if Oga come back, tell am say, Oga see wetin Grace do. Me I go sit tell am say, Oga see Alpha, see wetin kitchen woman do. Na 1-1 na. Abi no be so. Let's know the one that is worst. Your own is abomination. You don't know. Triple abomination. My own is even pepper was adding. You know if I was even trying to help you put more pepper so that the food will make sense.
Shut that your mouth also. You know say no be you I dey blame. Na your useless mama. Nah, I dey blame. You see the woman wey born you. The woman wey born you. That woman supposed to go commit suicide.
You too. Now your pikin, that your child where you dey always talk, say you born, you don't know where. Now that child is supposed to kill herself or kill. Yes, she supposed.
Now your mama wey no train you well, he supposed kill himself because you know say you no get pikin.
Now your pikin where you born, now you supposed to kill her.
I will use this thing to cover your face now.
Maid.
See dey. Now your mama na him be maid.
Maid.
Now your mama na him be maid.
Say she's.
Idiot, you know wetin cheese.
This is really happening like a dream. This little brat is giving me the hell of time in my own father's house. I've taken it too easy on her for too long. I've treated her like a child, but she's hitting me too hard like an adult. I will show her some lessons. She's too small for me to handle. I will deal with her.
This life, why is my own different? Oh, this life, anything I do, they must catch me. If I say make I do this one, they go catch me. Oh my God. Oh, ame. Waiting I go do this life, oh this life. Why is my own different? Oh amo, waiting I go do. Chai, if I say make I kill this girl now, I go too strong pass me. Wetin I go do, oh, Chimo? One biara own. Owamo, aga me pesara oye o. Who will I tell? My God. Wetin I go do? Wetin I go do? Oh.
This little witch no fit win just like that. No. I go show her pepper. For her mind, she don't win, abi? Ha ha! Ebele, you must deal with this little girl. You must deal with her.
Nine. Oh, you are here. Eh? Nine. Nine, you are deep in thoughts. What troubles you?
What else if not grace of God?
Hi. Full grace of God on Kakwa. Eh? What has she done this time around?
Polycarp.
Oh.
I saw Polycarp yesterday.
Mm-hmm.
And he is still insisting that I refund him the money for that goat grace of God sold to him.
Nah, that is why I was even calling you now. Do you know that Polycarp was here yesterday when you were away? Huh? Threatening to destroy everything in this compound unless you pay him his money. Get all different before I become.
I even tried negotiating with him that I refund him half of the money. But he blatantly refused. He no agree.
Hi.
I will now pay for a goat I did not eat.
But Nani, please, you have to pay him because this time around he sounds very, very serious. Please.
A girl that is so small, causing so much chaos.
Nani, do you know that my fear is that they don't send that girl back here?
Back where? Here? That will not happen because if that happens, I'll deny her.
Hi.
I'll deny her this time around. Let me be the bad uncle. That cannot happen.
No, please stop fretting. Please. Just, it's okay. Everything will be fine. Just try and pay Polycarp his money. Because let Kudochia come inside and eat your food. Oh, Biko, don't take it. Yeah.
Babe, where is the juice now? Don't waste my time. My mouth. Babe, now go to me. I'm giving you peso. I don't know you. I don't know you. You don't know me. You don't know who I be. I already got the way you know what like. Me, I be person though. I don't make sense so. I go beat you. Ha. Tell him. You know tell him. Make it the avoid me. You know tell him. Ha. My mouth though. Me, I got a man. Look at me. I don't understand about you. Hey, God.
What is wrong with her?
Which one is what is wrong with her? Somebody that is doing her job by fire by force. You are asking what is wrong with her. She's working. Okay? She's working.
Tell me, what did you give her?
I don't understand. Huh. Anyway, the only thing I will tell you is, you see work, she go work tired today. She know the hear word. Huh. She go hear them by force.
I hope it's not what I'm thinking.
What do you think? I beg you. She say her name like grace of God. Huh. The grace of God is working in her life right now. So she go walk. She go walk tired.
What about if she fall down from that
How you
place?
take concern me? If she fall, she go get up. This kind of person no go feel good. She go just bounce. bounce out. I beg. Let us go.
Lack of respect is what I'm seeing. Every day fighting, every day scatter, scatter. A very grace of God, a very grace, you, a very grace.
Grace. Grace of God. Grace. Grace of God. Come on, my dear. Grace, why are you clearing the gates? Grace. What's going on? Sir?
What's going on?
I don't know. She's just mopping the gate and the fence.
So, grace of God want to wash off the sins of this compound? It's terrible. Just open the gate. Let us go.
Who go grieve for each other? Now very big problem. Oh, this now very big problem. Anyaga bapuro na bapuro kamjo. Anyaga baru no so.
Very, very good.
What if you kill yourself?
No, nah. Ebere, you went too far. She's just a little girl.
Which little girl? Who that shall little girl? I beg you. This girl don't do me. She do me so tey I don't get choice but to treat her like adults.
Say, no matter what, there's no justification to what you did to her. Listen, if my father returns and see her like this, he will not be happy with you. You better pray he wakes up before death.
See this girl over there. I don't get one shaking pity for her. I know they pity her at all. This girl don't do me reach neck. See, I no send. I no send at all. Anything won't happen, make it happen. This girl don't insult me. Look at me now. I don't reach to burn her.
Yes, that is the more reason you should act mature and treat her like a mother. Do you know how sorry I feel for her right now?
You sure say you never begin to eye her?
Stop that nonsense.
I beg you, get that.
You're bigger than that.
That's all they do. Anytime when you don't begin eye anything with the skirts, you go begin to talk nonsense.
Stop that. You better take her to the room before my father comes back and see her like this. Yes, now let's take her to the room. Now you want to leave her in the kitchen.
Guardian angel. You must stay with her. No, you can carry her.
Stop it now.
Your Obio is overflowing. Carry her yourself. Come back. Stay with her. Guide her.
Stop it. This girl is heartless.
It's teaching time. Saves
Grace.
Grace. Both of you are engaged in intense rivalry in my house. That's unbelievable. Grace, you have such a bad intention
to pepperize the food Ebere cooked. And you, Ebere, you gangerize the food you served Chris. As little as she is. Now, both of you standing here should tell me why you have such intense rivalry in my house. And why you continue to quarrel in this house just like this. In this case, you leave me with no option than to send both of you out of my house. Dad, I don't think there's any particular thing causing issue between the both of them. Because I've always asked. Almost all the time, I've always asked. And I've not seen anything causing dispute between both of them. Why can't they live in peace? That's the issue. Grace, you insult and disrespect Ebere. Old enough to be your mother. And you, Ebere, look at Grace. As young as she is. She is young enough to be your child. Why this rivalry? So both of you should apologize before me now, right now, here. Grace, apologize to Ebere. Ebere, apologize to her.
I no fit. I no fit do am. For what? Now they ask you for what now? You get the kind of things when I go to talk for this house, you go show me say partiality don't enter inside. Me apologize to this small thing, this small winch, this cockroach. For what? Why I apologize to them? Oga, make una no dey disrespect me. Oh. I get pikin wey fit old person sef. Now she's supposed to apologize to me, not be me. Now she's supposed to beg me. See how she did.
Grace. Grace, I think the best decision I'm going to do now is to take you back to the village.
Better.
What? Are you serious?
Yes.
I will not plead any further. See, it's either both of you reconcile or both of you leave. What is your problem? What kind of nonsense is this?
Okay. By the time I return, both of you must have reconciled, apologized to each other, and prepare to live in peace.
All right, Dad.
Come on, Zuzawo. Zuzawo, say so.
You don't say that. You don't say. Shebi, you don't say. You don't say. Reconciliation number 1. My own part 2. It will shock you.
Ebere. Ebere.
Contention between her and Grace of God.
No, Dad. But you see, from the first day Grace arrived in this house, I just know both of them cannot live in peace. Dad, I must tell you. You see that little girl? She's headache.
I know. But I just wish I could talk to Betty to come back, reconcile with her and live in peace.
Huh? That would be better.
Why can't they reconcile and live in peace? That's the issue. Why can't they reconcile and live in peace? The other person doesn't want to apologize to that person. What's going on?
Please just calm down.
Okay, Nico. Grace! Grace, where are you going to with your bag?
I'm leaving.
Leaving to where?
I want to get it for my mother.
Your mother?
I'll find her anywhere she is. Anywhere she is, I will find her.
Tell me, where exactly are you going to find your mother? I
Village.
mean, like, where are you going from here?
Village.
You're going to the village? Who will take you to the village?
That one will shock you. If I get there, I will give you information. It was nice working with you people. God bless you.
Grace! Don't move a step. Get back.
the grace of God.
No.
Hey, grace of God.
Yes.
What are you doing here?
I'm home.
Grace of God. Grace mother adinaka onu akolia. So you cannot disappoint all the people that predicted that you must return back to this village. You cannot even try to disappoint them. Hey, Chief Okezie, welcome, sir.
Thank you so much.
Welcome, sir. I hope all is well, sir.
All is well. I just brought back grace of God.
I know she must have committed. I know she must. What did she commit? What did you commit?
I not commit anything, no.
But I know you must have committed something.
Did I commit anything? I not commit anything now.
You committed something. What did you commit?
Did I commit anything?
Grace.
Of God.
Grace.
Of God.
Yeah. Hey! Woohoo! Onije! Ah! Hey! Hey! Onije no! Hey! Agaracha! Ikwuralisigo! Eh? Agaracha! Okay. You don't tire? You can sit to Abugogi. Ebere, the city girl.
Mama, good afternoon.
Hey, my dear, what is good about the afternoon? Eh? What is good about this afternoon? Did you ever? So what do you want? What did you come to do? Yes, what do you want?
Mama, now this kind thing, now they make me know they like come here. Now this kind thing, they do me like say make I just abandon this house, run come out. Now this kind thing what they do? Anyway, that one na your business, mama. Now something carry me come back here.
Yeah. That carry you come. Eh? That's that you came looking for. Just say it here and now. So I will go into my house. I don't want to see in my house. I will go into my house by myself and bring that thing out for you because I don't want to see you in this house. So say it.
Mama, I beg. I no get strength for your wahala today. I no get strength for your long and bad mouth. I want peace.
Oh,
peace.
So peace. It's a peace. He's saying that no peace for the wicked. Edamia. You want peace. Where have you been? Where have you been that you not even care how your mother is faring? You don't even send food money. The drugs I take, you don't even care. You don't even send money for me to take drugs. What did you do? You went and got pregnant for a man. Stay with the man now and marry him. You refuse. You ever now, Wale? You said you want peace. There will be no peace for you.
Anyway, Mama, that one concern you. If you like, talk, it concern you. See, now my daughter now carry me come back here. I won't find my daughter.
That is what we are doing. Yes, that is what you are doing. You see your life? A child you abandoned since how many years? You would not want to look for that same child. Are you sure this child is still alive? Because if you know, you won't be looking for her. You see your life? You see your life. Nonsense. You are looking for your child. Because, you see, I don't want your wahala. Carry this your miserable bag. Negate. Move and look for your child. Not in my house. I wish you luck.
Person go hear where you dey talk. They go think say you be better mama. You will be a fulefu mama. Yeah, a fulefu rest of our two. When I gave birth to that child, I no carry and come. You welcome us. Even when I been one go city, I no carry and come here. Make you at least help me take care of the child. What do you do? You look the child for eye. You look me for eye. You pursue us come up for here. See who they talk. Ordinary common maternal instinct. You no get. Eh? You now you come the talk. Make you be like saying that me be a bad person. Hey, you abandon your child. You abandon your child. You abandon your child. You abandon your grandchild. You no make you to be devil herself. I beg you make I hear word. No be only good luck.
Wait. You got pregnant for a man I don't. Maybe the man said I'm a madman. I don't know. Maybe he's a mechanic or agboro. I don't know. You got pregnant. You carry that pregnancy. You born am. You don't even ask your mother how she was faring. Now you came with a child. You want to dump the child here for me and start your waka waka again. If I collect a child from you, I don't even know if you might have the second one, but it will not work for you. So I refuse to suffer again because I suffered for you. What is my gain? Nothing. You want me to continue from where I stopped? On my meh? Yes, on my meh.
You just dey talk and they look you, eh? You know who I dey pity? Na papa. Because, hey, I can imagine wetin that man don see for your hand. Anyway, that one concern you. Mama, wetin you eat cook? I wan go inside go chop.
Which house?
You see which house?
Which house? I don't want to see in my house.
My own house. This is my house. This is where I grew up. This is my inheritance. Don't tell me anything.
This guy now waka no know.
One second.
Boniface,
Chief Okezie.
Grace here, grace of God. She started having terrible rival with my house help the very minute she stepped into my compound.
Mm-hmm.
I thought it was something I could sort out. They turned my house into a war zone.
Hey!
Fighting back to back. It's a terrible thing. I thought it was just a normal rivalry. Until recently, they turned it into life-threatening.
Hey!
Gracia emptied a whole bottle of pepper into the food cooked by my housewife.
Pepper?
Yes.
Grace of God, pepper. Hey!
Then, my housewife, in anger, went and put Igbo, ganja, into her food.
Igbo? Who is this house help? What if she had killed her?
Okay, that is our plan. To kill me. You not tell her who I am. Grace of God. They cannot kill me like that. They cannot kill me like that. Me, I have vision. That is why I say I will not forgive her. I have vision. Wanted to kill me.
I tried all I could to reconcile both of them by asking them to apologize, and live in peace. But it did not work out. I've never seen this kind of baby before. It's as if they have known each other before now. Or did they know each other from their past life?
So, grace of God, instead of apologizing and reconciling, you prefer to come back to this village, eh? You will see Shege Banza this time around. Don't worry.
Let me see. Is it bad? Is there any Shege Banza I've not seen in my life? Let me see the Shege Banza. It will not kill me. In fact, give me Shege Banza Kowai. I will not die.
She said she want to return home to find her mother.
Mother? Mother kwa?
Which one is which mother? Don't I have a mother? The mother that mothered me. Don't I have a mother? Is it bad to ask for my mother? I want to see my mother. I better go. You're looking at me as if something happened. Biko. Don't stress me.
Honestly, Boniface, if she has a mother, she has a right to see her mother and talk to her mother. If there is a way to do that, I'll be of great help. You have my number. Just call me and then I'll come in and then see where I assist. You understand? It's very important. But meanwhile, let me... This money is for her upkeep.
Okay. Okay. Then, thank you very much.
Yeah.
What is it?
What is it? You say it's for my upkeep, Abby? Is it your upkeep? Give me now, let me upkeep myself. I can upkeep myself.
Can't you leave this money now?
Leave this money. I need one that will give me my upkeep, Abby. Wait, give me my money.
Come on, leave this one.
Grace.
Here.
Don't worry. He will keep it for you. But let me give you some so that he will keep some and then you keep the money.
I know this man. He cannot give me this money. Once you leave, he will take this money for himself. He will use for his own upkeep. Forgetting me that they gave the money. I know him very well. Oh. Give me my money for my.
Come on, leave this money.
Oh, yeah, now.
Okay, let me now share the money into two. You have part of it, then he have part of it to keep for you.
If I don't share it, oh, it's my own money. But anyway, you can
Oh
share.
yeah, leave it. Let me give it to him.
Leave it. Let me give it to him. Now it's not my money.
Leave it. Let me hand it over to him.
Oh yeah, let two of us hand it over to him. 1, 2, ready, go. Yeah, remove your hand.
This for you. And this for you.
So it's also for me too.
Yes, it's for you. We will keep it for you.
How much is it? Let me know. So
Have
that I will know when
you counted your own?
I know I'm saying it. Thank you, sir.
Boniface, I should don't.
Chief, okay, so I got to give him.
Thank you.
I got to give
Please
him.
take good care of her. Eh?
I will.
Thank you. How do I want to start this journey? How I want to take start? Which face where I want carry go meet Obegeli? Come they tell and say I want my pikin back after all these years. Obegeli where I tell and say at most I don't too take for sitting at 2 years. I fit even come back 6 months. Nah, I don't pass more than that. Even the pikin self. How I want do when I see her? Sure say she go like me. She fit don't even take Obegeli do mama. No go want me again. Hey, but my pikin go don't grow. If they reach me for here, me and I go to wear the same clothes. Chai. I don't even carry anything come back. Eh? How I won't look pikin where I never see since. I don't carry anything go. Hey! Pikin where I never see since. How won't pick me up? Hey! Which face? Which face? I want to go there. Onije, you see your life. You see your life now. I told you that one day you will sit and think about your life. And that is what we are doing now. Okay? Since you came back, you can't even eat. You are not even useful to yourself. All you do is sit and think. Stare into the air. Up and down. With your thick brain. What the head in me? And I'm sure because you're not thinking of anything. Just your life. You see it? We begged you to go to school. You refused. Okay, learn a skill. Keep along with you. You refused. What did you do? You got pregnant for a man. A fulefu, a local champion. Okay, stay with the man that got you pregnant. Mba. You ran to the city. In fact, what did you go to the city to do? Because English, you can't even speak. You can't even express yourself. As in 5 minutes. Speak good English, you can't. Okay, so how did you go to the city? What did you go to the city to do? With which certificate? More, even me, your mother, is better than you by far. I can express myself better than you at least. After an interview, I know what to say. Because if you go for interview, what will you say? What will you tell them? Tell me. You see your life? I told you. Ose ti go pa. Nekedi hi mero wegi Nekedi hi mero wegi Ew. Ye mero wem. Agaracha waka aga. Hey. Ijowa. Ye mero wem ojoka. Hey. No peace for the wicked. No peace for the wicked. Oboleke. Chai. Stop thinking, go. Stop thinking. Since you don't know where your child is, don't think again. Just know what you will go and this one. In fact, you're better off dead. So, no. Are you running away? Come and sit now. You are thinking about your life. Nonsense. Agaracha waka waka. Kuali kwanunu. City
Ebere the city girl. I want peace of mind. Peace. Man, what in this house?
Poor girl. I think that girl has come of age to know her mother. Eh? Maturity has set in. Yeah.
As far as I'm concerned, that her journey is a futile one.
Hey, no. Why would you say that?
Okay. For more than 10 years, no one has seen her mother. For 10 whole years, nobody has had anything of her mother. Her father now has gone to Wausa. If you ask me, that woman may be dead.
No, this girl deserves to know her mother. I think you should take her to her mother's village. When you get there, you ask questions. They will show you her compound.
Woman. I have enough to worry about. Stop telling me anything about that girl. Why not take her to her mother's village? Don't you know her mother's village?
It's not fair. This girl is your brother's daughter. Is your niece. You know, I think an outsider.
So I should kill myself because she's my brother's daughter, my niece. Because of course we'll be enough trouble.
I did not say you should kill yourself. Try to understand me. It's just that let's help this girl. She deserves to know her mother. Obiko, I'm begging you.
Nna. Not the greet.
Sorry, good afternoon, ma.
I am looking for one girl. Amarachu. Do you know her?
No. I don't know anybody named Amarachi.
What of her mother? Obegeli?
Obegeli is my mommy.
Yes, our mother.
Obegeli is your mother?
Yeah, yes.
Okay, Ngwano. So where is your mother?
She went to market.
Your father, uncle?
He went to work.
And you don't know any Amarachu?
No, not at all.
Okay, Ngwano. No problem. Let me stay and wait.
Ma, I'm looking for one Auntie Ebere.
Auntie Ebere?
Ebere Chukwu.
Ebere Chukwu. We don't have any Ebere Chukwu here. We have Chidebere. So, you don't knock for that gate?
Yes, nobody did it.
And you don't call her name?
Yes.
If she know there and she know open gate, that means she know there. Her name na Agaracha. She don't waka. Either she don't waka go, or she don't go back to the city.
Oh God. So when she will come back?
I don't know. I know they follow and waka. I don't know. If you talk now, if you talk him now, you dog. Oh, it shall not be chief. It shall not be chief. No, come. I will beat you today like say you thief my kidney. I'm off here.
Get luck. You get luck, say. Not before my village, I catch you. I will just gather boys to go beat you rough and you. Witch!
Waka, waka. Pium, pium, pium. Pim, pim, pim. Nwokoye, are you still here? You've not gone back to the city.
Mama, I beg. I no get strength for your wahala. Allow me drink water, keep cup. Now again, why have you decided to be a witch unto my life?
Makageneze, why would I allow you? Makageneze, I can't give you peace in this house. Until possible. Man, you give peace. Because you don't have peace yourself. Okay, Nania. Eh? Wait,
Ogene,
where are you going to? This is my house.
Hey. Ma, I beg, come off for road. I no get strength. You know they me as he dey you. So come off for road, make I pass. Now what's in now?
Where?
Here. Mama, I beg, you know they me as he dey you. Come off for road.
For what? This is my house. This is my house.
Mama, na me they shine eye for.
Before uncle.
Mama can shine her eye. Mama, come off for road. Go. Come off for road. Come on.
Ha! Neno kode. Waka waka garacha. Onye nkwali. Anyway, you said you went to look for your daughter. Where? Did you see her? Ndinne. If they send Ndinne come out, you will come out. Mani mother been working now. I they send Ndinne mama. You will raise your hand the way I'm raising my own now. Ndinne mama. Chuku be kai. You be answering Ndinne onyala. Anyway, one pen page one came to look for you. I don't know if you are the Antebere. I'm not going to go about the Antebere she came looking for. I don't know if it's your... let me not talk because I don't even know if it is the dwarf that got you pregnant or Alboru. What am I even saying? Eh? She said she's looking for Antebere. Antebere. If one pen pay in fact. Anyway, what am I saying? Grace, how far? Any luck? Any information?
No information, no luck,
hey.
nothing.
Okay. Yeah?
Nah, I don't like it though. I don't like it. When I got there, nobody was in the house. Nobody. I waited. Oh, till one woman came. She now told me that they don't have any ebere chuku there. That the only ebere they have is chide ebere.
Hey. Whether ebere chuku, ebere or chide ebere, all of them are the same thing now. Eh? Okay.
I just want to see my mother. That's my home. Let me just see her. Even if she's dead, at least people should show me her picture or take me to her grave. Let me see her.
The woman you said went to the city. Did you collect her phone number or her address so that we know where to start with her?
I'm not collect it though.
Hey!
I'm not remember.
Crazy.
So I'll go next time.
You have to go back there. You will go there and collect the phone number. No go. I know you are tired already. Let's go inside so that you have some rest. Come and eat. Sorry. Everything will be fine. What?
Hey, babe.
What's up?
I'm cool. I can see you're cooking.
Yes. You're trying to distract me from cooking.
Come on. Distract you, no?
So, what are you doing here?
I don't think I want to eat this food anymore.
What? Don't tell me that. You know what it took me to get to the market and get these things? Just go to the living room.
Oh, come on.
I'll come and join you.
You see, I don't want to eat this food.
So, what do you want to eat?
I want to eat the cook.
By the way, where is your father?
Oh, out of time.
Out of town?
Of course.
Wow. Okay, do you know what? Just go inside. I'll be with you in 2 minutes.
2 minutes?
Yes.
You sure?
Yes, I am.
Come
So go.
I'll be waiting.
Alright. Go!
Cheer up now. See, my husband is about going out now. I shall join you in search of your mother. Oh? Okay.
Are you serious?
I am serious. I am serious.
I have to go now. Yes.
Okay, they have
So
to
that I'll return in time.
Let me see you off.
Good morning, sir.
Benzichi,
Yes, sir.
why are you here?
Uncle, I want to see my daughter.
Which daughter?
What happened again, ma'am? The daughter that would.
Which daughter? Which daughter?
Here. This switch. What are you doing in my house again? Who carry you come here? Who carry this switch? Enter this house.
Shut up.
Should I go leave that place for you? Where to carry you come here again? Okay, you come apologize. Me, I will not forgive you.
Oh, will you shut that your dirty mouth or say so? Look at you. You are a big fool. What are you doing here? You have carried that your long black mouth to this place, Okuya.
For my house?
You're the man. Which your house? My
own house?
The hell out of your mouth now.
That witch that almost killed me in Nwokoye's this house. She's the one that wanted to kill me there.
Chineke.
Ebelechi, you drugged your own daughter and almost killed her.
Which daughter?
She's your mother.
That's your mother. That's your mother.
I don't understand what is going on here.
This is your mother, your mama.
Hey, Jesus Christ.
Oh, Amarachi the here.
Amarachi now.
This is Amarachi.
Yes.
Wait, is this the baby chicken that you're talking about?
That I told you that we'll go in search of her. So you have been maltreating your own daughter.
But wait, is this the every time you be telling me that you have small baby, you have a baby that fever senior me? Where is the baby? Where is the pikin now?
Chiro, so I mean be that your mama where they always carry your long mouth talk say you rich, you get money, you strong, you dey hustle. Na me. Cheru. Are you telling me?
Oh my God.
This is my daughter.
Yes.
Oh God.
Now my pikin be this. I thought I was going to live a very fulfilled life with Azubike. That was my plan. I thought it was going to be forever with him. Everything was going on well until things changed for him. He became very bitter when he couldn't meet up with his obligations. His pride was wounded and he took everything out on me. I made a lot of suggestions for him, things that he can do that will bring him back on his feet again. Instead of following my advice, he turned me into a punching bag. If I go out and hustle a little and bring back money that we're supposed to take care of ourselves and our child with, Azubike will steal it, drink with it, then come back and punch me. At some point I knew I could not take it anymore. I started thinking of a way out. I started thinking of how to make things better, at least for myself and my child. That was when I decided that I was going to the city to hustle. I was going to the city to make something for myself and for my child, at least to give her a better life. But I couldn't go to the city with my child. I mean, it was going to be a dangerous thing to go to a place you know nobody with a small child. So I decided that the best thing for her is for me to keep her with my auntie, Obereli. Go to the city, find my feet, then come back and take her with me. That was my plan. But it did not work out. It didn't work out the way I thought it would. It did not work out that way.
Oh. So you have been my mother all this while. And you have been wickeding me.
But you know, say, if you tell yourself the truth, you no be Mr. Tam. You no be Mr. Tam. See, forget all the fight when we dey fight. Check am for your mind. The way you dey see me, apart from all those times when we dey fight, I no be better person. I be better person now. I get better hearts. You know, forget that thing wey you dey do. You know.
So you know how we're about all these years?
No, I know. She told me that she wants to travel to the city to go and hustle. That's after 2 years that she's coming back to come and take her baby. Eberechi. So this is your 2 years.
Hi. Auntie, no be so I plan now. Not 2 years I plan, no, but you know work like that. Things no dey easy like that for city. Forget that thing wey una dey hear. Wey be say piam once person in which city don't begin make money. Na lie, you know they like that.
So you are my mother. Now in every day we dey fight, back to back, horse, fight, back to back.
Come here, you know say
Aye.
come here.
Oh!
You know say
Aye!
you as you dey, you be my mama born me. Makachi confirm mama born me. Now it make you get coconut. Come the one that say, who give this girl this kind coconut head? I don't even know say na my coconut head. Now I just give you small. You carry and they pepper me.
You don't start again now.
But you too much, oh. Forget. You know say we know they grieve for anybody. That's so your mama dey. So I'm not surprised say you dey like that too. Me too much.
Nation.
I dey tell you, Kwechirified family. Now we be. You too do me, oh. But I forgot.
You too much, self.
But blood thick, oh. Blood thick because you get sometimes where I be one squeeze you. You get sometimes where I be one squeeze your neck.
Yes.
Hey!
Azubike.
Hey!
Azubike.
Wallahi.
No, don't you.
Wallahi. Azubike.
Again, family in a call.
Tonton, please. I am very sorry. Let me tell you the truth. It was frustration. It was frustration that led me to even calling you a witch. You know, when somebody is hustling, trying to make things to work, putting one thing or the other together, and it's not working, the person becomes frustrated, and frustration will be making me to at least call you a witch. And I started calling you a witch. Please, I'm sorry. I didn't even know myself. I am the witch. Seriously, I am the witch. Please, I am sorry. Forgive me. Biko, please, Biko. Find it in your heart, Biko. Forgive me. Biko. It's okay.
Oh, thank you. So, Tai, now that you are back, what next? I mean, when are you going back to Bielsa?
Well, I don't have the intention of going back. But although, once in a while, I'll be going and I'll be coming back. Yes. I have come back to stay. Yes, I have come back to stay. Bonnie, you know what? I have made a lot of friends and contacts in Ugwausa. A lot. These men are farmers in Ugwausa. Good farmers, rich farmers. Look, they even promised to be sending me grain. Both maize, beans, guinea corn, name them. Look, I'm a businessman now. I have even finished the 20 bags I brought with me from Ugwausa.
So it is now business galore.
Business. Right now, I am now CEO, importer, and exporter. Now, people are even waiting for me for the next supply. So when the supply comes out, from village to village, I begin to supply. So I am now a supplier of grains from Ugwausa. More. From Ugwausa.
Thank God.
Glory be to God.
Business has started now. Yes. We are now suppliers. We can now supply.
Lack of respect is what I'm seeing. Every day fighting, every day scatter. A very grace of God, a very grace, a very grace. Trouble every day. War for war, waiting be the case. Not disagreement. I better not agree. Grace of God, no agree.